Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Princess May Verano, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. Now, let's talk about compassion and communal discernment in making PU and the world a more compassionate place. Compassion is a powerful and profound humanity equality, one that transcends mere emotions. It's more than just feeling sorry for someone. It's about a deep, empathetic connections that move us to take actions to alleviate the suffering of others. In its essence, compassion is about recognizing the shared humanity in every individual and responding with genuine care and concern. At its core, compassion is the ability to feel what another person is going through and then act to help face their fate. It's a combination of empathy, which is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, and kindness, which is the desire to help when we see someone is distressed, whether they are close to us or a stranger. Compassion is what drives us to extend a helping hand, offer comfort, or a simple to be present with them their time of need. Okay, compassion goes beyond sympathy, which is merely acknowledging another person's suffering. Instead, it requires us to engage with that suffering on a deeper level, to feel it as if it were our own, and then to be moved to do something about it. This could be as simple as offering a kind word, or as complex as working to change systems that perpetuate suffering. Compassion is not just a moral virtue, but it also has significant psychological and physical benefits. When we practice compassion, our brain releases oxytocin, a hormone often referred as the love hormone, which promotes feelings, a warmth or connections. Compassion also reduces stress, lowers blood pressures, and strengthens our immune systems. In essence, being compassionate not only helps others but also contributes to our own well-being. Moreover, compassion is contagious. When we see acts of compassion, we are inspired to be compassionate ourselves. This ripple effect can spread throughout communities, fostering a culture of care and empathy. It encourages people to look out for one another and creates a more supportive and connected society. So, compassion manifests in various ways in our daily lives. It could be as simple as listening to a friend who is going through a tough time, offering assistance to a colleague who is overwhelmed with work, or a volunteering time to help those less fortunate. It's about being aware of the needs of others and being willing to step out of our comfort zones to meet those needs. In the broader sense, compassion can guide our actions and decisions in ways that benefits not just individuals, but also society as a whole. For instance, supporting policies that address poverty, inequality, or environmental degradation. Degradation is an expression of a compassion. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of our life and acting in ways that protect and uplift over others. Also, despite its importance, practicing compassion isn't always easy. But we live in a fast-paced world where stress, competitions, and personal struggles can make it difficult to focus on the needs of others. Sometimes we fear prejudice or a sense of helplessness can inhibit our compassion's instinct. However, it's important to remember that compassion is like a muscles. It's like a muscles. It can be strengthened with practice. By making conscious effort to understand and help others, we can overcome these barriers and make compassion a more central part of our lives. And compassion is a vital part of what it means to be human. It's a force that binds us together, allowing us to connect with others and to connect others on a deep level and to contribute to their well-being. By cultivating compassion in our daily lives, we not only help those around us but enrich our own lives, creating a more caring, just and empathetic world. In a world that often feels divided and disconnected, compassion serves as a bridge, reminding us of our shared humanity and our collective responsibility to care for one another. Now, when we talk about the role of communal discernment in making Pan-Pacific University in the world a more compassionate place, it is a collaborative process where members of a community come together to reflect, discuss, and make decisions that align with shared values and the common good. At Pan Pacific University and in the broader world, communal discernment is a powerful tool for fostering compassion as it emphasizes empathy, inclusivity, and the collective wisdom and decisions making. Communal discernment involves listening deeply to the diverse voice within a community. It's not just about reaching a decision, it's about understanding the needs, the concerns, and the hopes of every individual involved. This process ensures that decisions are made with a deep sense of empathy and a genuine desire to promote the well-being of all. Also, communal discernment helps Pan Pacific University and broader communities identify and commit to shared values that promote compassion, justice, and the common good by collectively discerning the best course of actions. The community ensures that its decisions are not only beneficial for a few aligned, but with the well-being of everyone involved. This alignment with shared values is crucial in creating an environment where compassion is at the forefront of all our actions. So, at the Pan Pacific University, communal discernment can help create a culture and care by ensuring that policies, programs, and initiatives are designed with compassion in mind. Compassion in mind. This might involve fostering more supportive relationships among students, faculty, and staff, or implementing programs that address the mental, emotional, and social needs of the community. On a larger scale, communal discernment can guide global initiatives that address issues like poverty, inequality, and environmental sustainability, making the world or a more compassionate place. Communal discernment is a vital tool for making Pan Pacific University and the world more compassionate by promoting inclusivity, defining empathy, and aligning with the shared values. Communal discernment ensures that decisions are made with a genuine concern for the well-being of all. Through this process, we can create a culture, a care of compassion that extends beyond our immediate communities and impacts the world's at last. And that's all. Thank you.